Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is time to unpack my FabFitFun box. Mine took a little while to get to me this time, which was frustrating, you know, watching the package not moving, but it finally got here. If you're unacquainted with FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It comes with beauty, health, and lifestyle items. And usually for the fall and winter boxes, I tend to choose items that it's like socks and hats and blankets and mittens. Like I want all the cozy, warm things. This box is a bit different for me. I chose some different items this time. Let's get into the box. So I was very concerned because my box was like open, like it had been dropped or something and it was barely holding together. So I did quick go through it to make sure I wasn't missing anything, and I think everything's in here. So this is the box, but I also included a few add-ons. I always have a gigantic shop where you can add more things to your box. I did put a few more things in here. So starting off, I think this was one of my add-ons. So I have yet to try the Bobbi Brown face base, and this little set comes with the face base and the eye base, and it was on a pretty good clearance. This stuff is very expensive. I thought this was my chance to try it. So here we have the eye base. It smells nice, very fancy little eye cream. Or actually, this is a pretty big eye cream, actually. Eye cream takes me forever to go through, even though I do use it pretty much every day. And then here is the famous face base. I am very interested to try this. This stuff is so expensive, I'm actually gonna use the little stuff on the cap to try it real quick on the back of my hand. It smells like essential oils. The cream feels very thick. Ooh, I could see why people like this as a base for makeup since it is so nice and creamy. But in general, it could just be a very nice moisturizer, a daytime moisturizer. I'm excited to try it. Whoa, I'm very sorry that the camera is at a different angle now. I knocked my entire tripod over on accident. Sorry about that. Let's try the eye base. It was the same thing. We'll get the cream off the little lid here. It looks very similar to the other stuff. It doesn't smell nearly as essential oily though. And it feels it's not as thick, although it's still, you know, thick enough. Oh, that is a delightful treat to myself. I will be updating you guys on this in an upcoming speed reviews video. Next in here, I have a product from Fenty. I'm very excited to try this. This is the Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. I do have my favorite oil cleansers and like cleansing balms, but I'm always interested to try new ones. And I didn't even know Fenty had one. So this one, it says it's a unique jelly oil formula that melts away long wear and waterproof makeup while deeply cleansing the skin, leaves skin nourished and comfortable. Well, this will be another product. I will be very excited to let you know how this works for me. I tend to be pretty judgy when it comes to products like this, so we'll see. Look at me. I got a cookbook. It has been forever since I have got a cookbook. So this is the Seriously So Good Simple Recipes for a Balanced Life from Carissa Stanton. The reviews for this were really good, so I'm excited to go through it, maybe find some new things to try. I am hoping that the recipes in here are not ridiculous. You know how sometimes you get a cookbook and you're like, oh my goodness, like who keeps that in their kitchen? And sometimes I can't even find things at my grocery store. I mean, it's not like I feel like I have a decent grocery store where I live, but if something is too niche, no, I can't find it. So I'm hoping that the recipes in here are good ones. I'm excited. Something I was very excited to see in FabFitFun, Hourglass blush sticks. This is the Vanish blush stick and I picked the shade Devoted. I have never tried one of these, but I have definitely seen this very popular product online. There we have it. First impression, let's see. Pleasing. Oh, okay, kind of more matte satin looking. Well, this will be another product I'll keep you updated on. People love these, so I'm very interested to see what I think here. Okay, this is one of the products I was the most excited for. So I got this stacking measuring cup set and it feels heavy. There's something about really nice quality, heavy kitchen utensils that just gives me all the feels. Ooh, they are heavy. They are ceramic. They're so cute. So here we have the 1/4 cup little measuring bowl. There, I freed them all. So here is the 1 cup and the half, the 1/3, and the 1/4. And I just love the heft of these. They feel very nice. Sometimes cooking, it's not just about getting to the eating part, it's about the experience of cooking, right? And when you have pretty products like this to cook with, it makes the whole experience more elevated. It's like having nice cutting boards and nice knives. Oh, I love it. So this box, I had the option to choose a few Tower 28 products, which I snagged. Tower 28 is one of my favorite brands, and they had one of my favorite products in there, the Tower 28 mascara. So I'm not gonna open this right now. I actually have a mini of this open currently. This is one of my favorite mascaras, and I am thrilled to have a backup of the mascara. And this last time when I purchased the mini, I decided I'm not going to purchase the mini again. It just dries out too quickly. The whole reason I bought the mini is because the big one, it only lasts for like 4 months. Like, it just dries out faster than other mascaras, but the mini dries out even faster. So I'm like, no, might as well just go with the bigger one. So happy to have this back. And then also the option was there to get these little lip products from Tower 28. I've never tried these. So these are what they call the Juice Balm. It's a tinted lip balm. Can I have enough tinted lip balms? Apparently not. So there's 2 shades. This first one is called Mix. Oh, that's pretty. I will 100% wear that. I don't smell any scent, which is wonderful and definitely par for the course with Tower 28. Their whole thing is sensitive skin friendly products. So it's nice when they leave out fragrance, although a lot of their other stuff is fragranced. And this is the shade Shake, which that looks a little bit more sheer and kind of pink. So far, I'm not smelling anything. But this is another product I'll have to keep you updated in a speed reviews video. So I thought this was very random of FabFitFun to include this in the box, but I ended up picking it anyway. So we have 2 packages of the matcha latte strawberry flavor from Jade Leaf. I buy the regular matcha latte from Jade Leaf all the time at Walmart. I have yet to try the strawberry one, and I thought, you know what, that's something in the box that I will 100% use. So I decided to add it. I can't wait to try it. I think as soon as I'm done filming, I'm gonna go make one of these. And then I got one more add-on. So this is from Fenty. This is the Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick. So she just came out with another like tinted lip balm type product, but I have yet to try this one. It's been out a little bit longer. I picked up the shade Cookies and Cocoa. Packaging looks very nice. I love these types of lip products. Ooh, I wanna try it on right now. Looks so nice. Smells good, which is a big thing for me with Fenty. I don't always like their lip products and how they smell. This one smells very nice because kind of sweet, but nothing too overpowering. And that is the shade. Ooh, yes. Ooh, I cannot wait. So there's actually 2 more products in here. One I think is a mistake that they sent in my box. I mean, I'll take it. And this other one I think is a promo, like something that got put in everybody's box. So first the promo. This is the Dove Coconut Milk and Sugar Lychee Plant Milk Cleansing Bar. They sent a shower bar in the last box, and I admit I have it in my shower, but I rarely use it. Ooh. Oh, that smells heavenly. I might replace it with this one and use this one instead. That smells wonderful. But then this extra item, this is from e.l.f. Paradise. This is the Confidently Clear Body Polish for smoother skin. Yeah, I definitely did not choose this. This has glycolic, polyglutamic, polyglutamic, mandelic, and hyaluronic acids. Wow. This is an ultra-fine, clarifying body polish that is supercharged with a powerhouse blend of acids. This targeted treatment helps to clarify, renew, and refresh rough texture for visibly smoother, clearer looking skin. Well, I'm definitely gonna try this, especially in the wintertime. I can get kind of dry on my arms and knees, so I'm gonna try this. It's a welcome mistake to my box. All right, that's everything that was in my box. Let me know what you got in your box. There's so many different choices you can get now that each box I feel like looks completely different. If you've tried any of the recipes in that cookbook, let me know if they're good, and I very much appreciate it. Thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video. This is always where I share my tea of the day. Today I am drinking a Celestial Seasonings. I believe this is Bengal spice. For those of you who don't drink caffeinated tea, this one is herbal. It's very spicy and I really like it. No matter how much into fancy tea I get, this is one of those classic teas at Walmart that I buy because I do drink this one. Yeah, I've never gotten over it. I like it so much. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you again very soon in the next one. Bye.